Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable adaptive power mode on iOS 26 on your iPhone. Let's get started. Adaptive power modes help your iPhone save battery automatically. It adjusts performance in the background based on how you use your phone, so you don't have to keep turning low power mode on and off. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the settings app on phone. Scroll down and tap on battery. Inside the battery menu, look for an option called power mode or adaptive power. Tap on it. Now you will see adaptive power mode. Simply on the switch. Once it's on, your iPhone will automatically manage things like background activity, performance, and power usage depending on what you are doing. You don't need to change anything else. Adaptive power mode works on its own. If you ever want full permission all the time, you can come back here and turn it off. If your battery gets really low, your iPhone may still suggest low power mode, which you can use along adaptive power. And that's it. We have successfully enabled adaptive power mode on iOS 26. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.